Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gates 3 Designs, and I'm back with another episode. Today I have this bridge I worked on, so let me just give an example. So something like this here. So this bridge is within the forest, but it spans across the canopy of trees. So it's like you're kind of walking above the trees, but this is where I got the idea from. I typically get a lot of my ideas off of Google image or Google searches and Pinterest and IG. So I have this I designed in Revit 2019, exported and imported into SketchUp Pro 2018. It's going to be a close-up view. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, let's just go ahead and take a rendering in this position and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what we have without any trees, any grass, any textures added to anything. Since I have my trees in here already, see what it looks like with the trees. So we have this here, and actually we're going to use Presto. Let's use Presto for this. In Thea window, let's just go ahead and run a render. Okay, so we have our trees. I'm going to add some more around here. The terrain is going to be grass. We're going to paint that grass. So let's paint that grass right now. Give the terrain a grass texture. So we'll just go to online repository, ground. I think the first category. We'll just throw some grass in there. Alright, make sure we get everything. And yeah, it looks like I'm still going to want to add some trees down there. Kind of got some bald spots. I kind of want to fill it up with vegetation. Yeah, let's do some vegetation around this area. Let's go ahead and hide the vegetation so we can apply textures to the bridge itself. Alright, so we got our terrain and we got our bridge. So first let's start with the platform. Let's do a wood. Yeah, like something like this, but longboard. Yep, there we go. Whoops. Make sure we're inside the model. Click there. Let's go ahead and get the sides. I think I'm going to like this one. Let's hold down Control. There we go. Get everything. Oh, there goes those trees again. Keep forgetting that happens, but we'll just hide it. Alright, let's run the render. Yeah, I like this a lot better. Yep, this is a lot better. Alright, let's go ahead and add some glass, because these are going to be glass panels. I believe it's one geometry shape. Let's see here. Yeah, go ahead and hit them all. So we just go to glass, go to glass, and let's find thin glass. Here we go. Let's make sure we get the other side. I think it got it. We'll just have to see here. Let's just do a rendering right here. Yep, so we got our thin glass in there. You can see the reflection from the terrain. You know, the wood looks nice. Now we need to add some texture to these, to the railings. And don't forget this guy. And here. Alright, let's zoom out. Let's go ahead and give a rendering of everything and see what we got going. And I think I'm going to go ahead and in Photoshop I'll add some pedestrians, or tourists walking around, taking pictures. Let's go ahead and give this a full rendering or full view. Oh, nice. This is looking good. Wow. Yeah, I really like this, and I think I'm going to hit some more trees over here um, at the top, and we should be good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it informative. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks.